18 forecast. News 18. Weather from where you live.
Well, the oppressive heat continues. It's going to be a warm night and pretty oppressive tomorrow as well. That's weather story 1. Second weather story, level 2 for severe weather risk, or a slight risk for severe weather early tomorrow morning, but some of that even lingering a little bit into the afternoon. And then finally, weather story 3, turning cooler and less humid. That's the thing that we want to see. There is the level 2 severe weather risk. It's a scale of 1 to 5. 5 being the high risk. Those are your big tornado outbreaks. 1 would be isolated severe weather. 2, that's scattered severe storms. So let's dig into this. First things first, oppressive heat. You can see the heat advisory for today and tomorrow is right up to the state line, and then it kind of curves east just south of our area. So there's a little chunk missing here in our area, but we're going to be kind of getting into that heat advisory criteria, and this is the worst of it with the excessive heat warnings. And keep in mind, even though this heat wave will go away in our area, this intense heat goes away in our area, it'll just migrate to the west because these are excessive heat watches now up for drought-stricken Oregon and Washington. We got another round of very intense heat headed for the northwest U.S. with major fire dangers. So it's the heat and now it's the storm risk. This is the outlook for Thursday morning. For us, it's like 4:30 to 7:30. And this red shading, that's the highest severe weather risk. We're going to see what we call derecho, or a widespread significant damaging wind event from Manitoba all the way through Wisconsin, southern Michigan, and all the way to northern Ohio. And for us, the tail end kind of skims by our northeastern counties. So that's the level 2 risk, or the slight risk here. We get the green or marginal risk down towards Lafayette due to any sort of uncertainty, just in case it backbuilds a little farther to the west. But the northeast counties, that's the area to watch. We're getting skimmed by the risk of some damaging winds early tomorrow morning. And then after that, on the tail end of that, as this moves into Ohio and Virginia, the tail end right here may fire some new storms late morning and into the afternoon. So that's why we get the slight risk here for the southern counties, and it's marginal or level 1 up towards Lafayette and Atticus. So level 1, level 2, and you can see the severe weather scale right to your left. Precision cast. There are the storms, 4 o'clock in the morning. I think generally this is 4:30 to 7:30 time period. There's the line moving south. Again, it's the northeast part of the viewing area that has the best chance of severe weather. And then on the tail end, I think some scattered storms will flare over the area, then move south, and then settle into our southern counties afternoon and into the evening. Watch it. Right there it is, moving through, racing through. A few storms on the tail end of it, and then cooler, less humid air will come in just in time for the weekend. I'll show you that right now. Normal high 85. Again, 83 on Friday, less humid. 85 Saturday, a little humid. We could have a couple showers and storms Saturday night. For Greater Lafayette, it'll be after 10 or 11. For the viewing area, it's after 7. 82 on the northern part of the viewing area, it's after 7. Sunday, 82, couple showers, storms, and then look at those temperatures near 80 and